So we're actually taping everything up. I tried siliconing without the tape or caulking or whatever, and it makes it really messy because this is the marine caulking. It's not a normal one, so it just doesn't look good. So yeah, we're taping up both sides. Takes a long time, but at least it'll look nicer. I washed everything with mineral spirits, so it's nice and clean. I dip my finger in mineral spirits, and then you just swipe it at this uncomfortable angle, and then you wipe it off with a rag. It just becomes a nice straight flowing bead of caulking. But yeah, you have to dip your finger in mineral spirits all the time and wipe off when you get buildup of caulking in your finger. Working hard or hardly working? Both. So yeah, I'm not gonna tape up any of this. Should be fine the way it is. This is where the truck is anyway, so you won't see much because it's annoying taping. Good enough?
Layer we're working out today, and this bottom one is thicker. It's not ready yet. It keeps on like tearing.
Yeah.
So we're gonna wait for that for a couple more days. But this top layer we're gonna just rip off now.
Because I had to put on more silicone there because there were gaps there.
Oh, yeah.
So I wanted to give a little update on the siliconing that we did on the camper. On the outside, it actually turned out really bad. So we did everything the right way. We removed the old caulking and silicone, cleaned the surface really well. It was like summertime, so it was warm. It didn't rain for a couple weeks after we caulked the windows and everything. And we didn't move the camper, just stood in place. But yeah, for some reason the caulking didn't cure the right way. It did dry out, like it was dry to a touch, but it was really easy to peel it off, and it would break really easy. And that caulking is supposed to be like permanent. It's supposed to be really hard to take it off. So for some reason it didn't like adhere to the camper really well, and didn't cure really well. It's not bad caulking. We researched, and a lot of people use them for their RVs and campers, and they're really happy with it. So we're thinking maybe it was just a bad batch, that like the wrong thing got mixed at the factory. So we actually contacted the 3M. They refunded us the money, but yeah, it sucks because we'll have to rip everything off and redo the silicone, the caulking again when it gets warmer. We actually did it in the summer. Now it got cold, so we can't do it anymore this year. We'll have to wait for summer to do it again. The camper is fine right now because we put in new butyl tape and we got it covered up and everything, so it's not going to be leaking or getting water damage or anything like that. But yeah, we'll have to, when it gets warmer, we'll have to rip off the caulking that we did and redo everything. It is what it is. I think next time when we were doing the summer, I think we'll use I think it's the 4200 marine adhesive. It's UV resistant, so we'll probably just use that. I would recommend before doing any caulking to try one window and let it stand for a week and dry out and see if it actually works good or not, and then do the rest of the camper. I'll put in a little clip of me ripping off one of the hatches, and you can see how easily it comes off, and it's supposed to be like pretty much impossible to get off, and it just like comes off really easily, and you can like get it and rip it in little pieces. So it just didn't like dry out or cure the right way like it's supposed to be. This is how easy the new silicone comes off.